Hello everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how to upload photos in Google Drive on PC. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open up any of your browser and go to the drive.google.com. First, you need to go to that website, and now you need to upload any of the photos you like. So I am going to right click on my mouse. From here, you can see file upload. You need to tap on the file upload, and from the desktop I will select this one and I will hold control button, CTRL button on my keyboard, and again tap on that. If I want to go with multiple photos, tap on open. As you can see, it is uploading. So let's just wait for a second, and as you can see, my photo has been uploaded. So what I need to do is to right click on this photo. Then from here, you will see share option. You need to tap on the share and again click on the share option. All right, now general access, you need to tap on that and anyone with the link. Then copy the link and now you can share it with anybody easily, and it will help to do something like you will send the link and they can easily access the photo. Now a question arises that if you want to send someone multiple pictures, how you can do that? It's very simple. First of all, you need to create a new folder, then name it like 123. I am going to name it. Then you need to drag and drop all the images you want into that folder like this. It will automatically move those two photos right here. Now you need to right click on the folder and again go to share and again share, and now the same process. Tap on the restrict button and turn as anyone with the link, then copy link and paste it to a person or send it to a person. All right, so that's how you can create link for photos in Google Drive, as well as I have shown you how to get just one link for multiple photos. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.